A denial-of-service attack focuses on disrupting the service of a network. Attackers send high volumes of data or traffic through the network, i.e. making lots of connection requests, until the network becomes overloaded and can no longer function. There are a few different ways attackers can achieve denial-of-service attacks, but the most common is the distributed denial-of-service attack. This involves the attacker using multiple computers to send the traffic or data that will overload the system. In many instances, a person may not even realize that his or her computer has been hijacked and is contributing to the attack. Disrupting service can have serious consequences to security and online access. Many instances of large-scale denial-of-service attacks have been implemented as a sign of protest toward governments or individuals and have led to severe punishment, including jail time. The best way to prevent a breach from this method is to keep your system as secure as possible, with regular software updates, online security monitoring, and by monitoring your data flow to identify any unusual or threatening spikes in traffic before they become a problem.